So on the Ethical Hacking and Cybersecurity course, 2016-17, we started to implement a series of games for teaching first years about cybersecurity that built up into a larger scale alternate reality stroke online world that encouraged them to explore while solving riddles and puzzles, some of which were meant to be purely educational, some of them were meant to be purely for fun, most of them were somewhere in between, encouraging them to try out new tools, think about things in different ways and experience things that normally would be quite difficult for them to do without some sort of context around, which is a lot higher overhead than gaming provides. So the Game Changers and the people at the DML helped us a lot with this, through first of all helping us to understand where these things are being used and the educational aspects that we can bring in, but also with their experience of running things like escape rooms and games with the educational outcomes. We were able to draw on their experience, but also the skills. So we're very good at certain things within the faculty, we're good at the technical aspects, but we've never built games like this before or needed to produce artwork for these kinds of things. And the Game Changers and the DML helped an enormous amount with all of these aspects. Cybersecurity as an industry does use games. At various events you'll find Capture the Flag, games where people are tasked to hack into virtual machines, sometimes even into each other's computers, and collect tokens or certain strings of values called flags, and they're scored. Now this is used for training sometimes, it's used for people to break the ice and find out who they want to speak to. And we've used these things over the past few years and they are very motivating, but what we've never done is try and build these things ourselves. And from doing this we're starting to see a lot more opportunities. Looking outwards, we can see that the industry is using them more and more. There are training courses that are starting to use these kinds of things a lot. And I think this is going to be a model that will expand quite rapidly into the more difficult areas like cryptography, such as hardware and reverse engineering, and possibly even sort of the mathematical aspects that currently aren't covered so well.